Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will explore the eSpace Hardhat Template, designed to simplify the development and deployment of smart contracts. The eSpace Hardhat Template is a fully configured environment that includes pre-configured tools, wallet management integrated into the Hardhat configuration, predefined tasks, and the DevKit CLI utility for managing a local eSpace node and wallets. This template provides tools and flexibility to customize your project, making it easier to deploy and test contracts on Conflux eSpace. To follow this guide, you will need a GitHub account and a wallet with CFX on eSpace Testnet and mainnet. First, go to the GitHub repository and create a new code space. Wait for it to load. In the terminal, install the required dependencies by running npm install. Once dependencies installed, run all the tests using hhtest. Hardhat CLI is alias to HH for quick access to commands. A successful test output confirms that everything is working correctly. Before deploying smart contracts on public networks, you need to configure the wallet. You can add a new wallet or import an existing one with DevKit wallet add. For deploying on Testnet or mainnet, import an existing account with CFX and select it. Additional wallet commands are also included in the interface. Now, we are ready to run a local eSpace node using hhnode or devkit start. You will see block confirmations as the node runs. Press F to access the faucet or B to check the wallet's CFX balance. The selected wallet is automatically funded with CFX when the local node starts. With the local node running, we can test our smart contracts on a private network, open a new terminal, and test a deployment on the local network using Hardhat Ignition and specifying the local network. This deploys the lock.sol contract on the local node using the selected account. The Hardhat configuration file is already set up for local, testnet, and mainnet networks, and is configured to use the selected wallet from previous steps. After testing locally, deploy on eSpace testnet by changing the network in the command. Verify the contract using the Hardhat verify task, then check ConfluxScan to confirm deployment and verification. Now, with the contract successfully tested locally and on the testnet, we can deploy it on the eSpace mainnet. Use hhbalance to make sure the selected wallet has CFX to cover transaction fees. You can combine deployment and verification into one step by using the verify flag. After deployment and verification, confirm everything worked correctly on ConfluxScan. The eSpace Hardhat template provides a streamlined workflow for developing and deploying smart contracts on Conflux eSpace. With its pre-configured tools, integrated wallet management, and support for Hardhat Ignition, developers can efficiently build, test, and deploy contracts. Join the Conflux Devs community for support and updates. Thank you.